Here is an example of how Cognos Analytics can help users find insights and build a dashboard. So, since we already created a data module from our Excel spreadsheet, all we have to do is click the three dots and we're going to be creating our dashboard. So now that we're creating our dashboard, we're going to be prompted with a set of templates that we can use to start off with. In this case, I'm going to be choosing this one with the 4 squares so that I can show some key performance indicators of our business and our data. So on the left, you can see that we have our assistant, we have our data sources, which is the source that we connected with our CSV file, which then we created with a data module. And then we have our pins, which is going to show pinned visualizations. And then we have our visualization tab, which is going to show some visualizations that we can use for our dashboard. And then what we can do is we can add custom widgets and we can add widgets. These widgets are pre-configured in Cognos, and it allows you to add things such as text, images, you could add media, and you could even add a web page. So for the purpose of this, we're going to be using our assistant since we don't really know much about our data, but in this case it's fine because all we have to do is open this window and then we can click help. And here it's going to suggest some insights that we can ask for our data. So we have what impacts sales, we can show column sales, and we could even ask the assistant to suggest some questions. So since we don't know much about our data, I'm going to ask it to suggest some questions. And here we have a list of questions. And for this, we're probably going to choose the what can impact profit question because of course every business needs to make a profit. And let's see what are some things that can impact our profit. So we have a list of items. We have cost of goods sold, budget margin, total expenses. So let's see marketing. Of course, marketing is very important in a business, so we're going to choose that. And as you can see here, we're prompted with a list of visualizations that we can choose. So we have the one that our system recommends us, and then we have other visualizations. And as you can see, the other visualizations aren't that good for looking at because they don't really show what the data means. So since the assistant prompted with this, which is fine, I'm going to create a dashboard from the chart. And the assistant is going to create us a brand new dashboard, which is going to show us some key performance indicators here. And it's going to show us which states we're making the most profit in. And we're going to be prompted with other visualizations. And this is going to help us understand more about our data by providing visualizations through our dashboard. And this is really going to allow us to have more insights.